Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your July read today. Let's see what energies are flowing towards you in July, Virgo, and how you can use this reading to have a wonderful month ahead. And these are general collective readings, Virgo, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So, Virgo, let's begin your reading. Let's start your reading and see what we need to know for the beautiful month of July. And welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Virgo, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Virgo, let's begin your reading. Overall energy is the Queen of Pentacles, Virgo. What a beautiful card. Yes, on your mind is stability, security, and you have some wishes here. On your current energy, I do see somebody healing and wishing and hoping, and let's see what that is. So, what is the Star card spirit for Virgo in their current energy? Star card for Virgo. Star card for Virgo. Yes, you are healing. You are healing. You're trying to get over any conflict or any upset in your life, and you are dreaming of moving to a happier, calmer place in your life. Both these cards represent healing for you, Star and the Temperance card. So, what else, Spirit? What else is their current energy, Virgo? Right now, I think, Virgo, you're healing from something that maybe drained you emotionally, or maybe you were hoping for a stable, brand new beginning, or this could be money, I don't know, work, money, love, relationships, whatever this was, it's kept you a bit stuck till now. But you are healing now, and you are on your way now to find some happiness and peace for your own life. So, what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for Virgo to be feeling this way? I think there was a bit of imbalance. You were trying very hard to balance the scales, but somehow things were always up and down. The Two of Pentacles. Why is that, Spirit? Yes, there was a little bit of imbalance in the equal give and take in your situation. Maybe you were putting in a lot of work, not getting enough money back, or maybe giving a lot to a love situation, and that was a bit imbalanced. It always made you wonder whether you'll ever achieve that stability, happiness, growth, that abundance in your life or not. So, whatever happened here, Virgo, this little bit of Two of Pentacles energy is being always feeling imbalanced. I think right now you are getting your epiphanies about why things didn't work out, about why your cups, never got filled in this situation. Yes, you are coming to some kind of wish fulfillment or healing now, currently, or at least you're hoping for that now. Okay, so before I move on to the July energies, Virgo, I'm going to start with a Ganesha Oracle card. Let's see what Lord Ganesha has in store for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for the month of July. For Virgo, Lord Ganesha. For Virgo, steadfastness. Yes, Virgo, don't give up hope, okay? Your wishes will come true, Spirit is saying. What you have to do is be very strong within yourself. Don't let others kind of waver your thoughts, your mind, or situations or circumstances put you in this position. Spirit says you need to stabilize your own mind and heart first. Steadfastness is your card. Look at Lord Ganesha is riding an elephant. Steadfastness, feeling grounded. Okay, so now let's start with the energies which are coming towards you. I think by July, Virgo, you are not going to let anyone get in your way. Yes, you are hell bent on achieving your 10 of Pentacles, and that's it. Anyone coming in your path, I think you're going to just cut them away. Yes, you are. Look at all the beautiful energies coming towards you, Virgo. This is the Ace of Wands, creative, passionate, new beginning, and leading straight to the Ten of Pentacles. And anyone coming in your way, I think you're not going to be allowing it. You're going to say, hey, this time it's going to be my way or the highway. This is what I want. This is what I'm headed towards. What else, Spirit, for the month of July for Virgo? Yes, you're waiting for your ships to come in. Yes, you're holding on very tight to some dream that you have, and you are patient. Maybe you've done a lot of work already. You've been healing. You have been doing what you need to do, and now this is a time for you to kind of wait for your ships to come in, see what the universe has in store for you, and you're holding on to this dream very, very tight, and maybe trying to save your money. But the point here is, whatever you do, Virgo, it's taking you straight to the Four of Wands. This is again stability, growth, happiness. Look at all these beautiful cards for the month of July. Ten of Pentacles, Four of Wands, Ace of Wands, and the Three of Wands. So yes, July, I think, will be the time when you will be starting to see the fruits of all your labor. You're not going to let anyone stand in your way, not even yourself. You're not even going to listen to yourself anymore, because whatever you're wishing for right now, whatever healing you're doing on yourself, is July will be the time, I think, when you're on your way. I mean, such beautiful cards. I'm a bit kind of tongue-tied here. Ten of Pentacles, Four of Wands, Ace of Wands, all coming for the position of the month of July. Okay, so what's this? Page of Cups. Yes, what Spirit is saying, yes, do not give up hope at all. There are some new beginnings, some new news, or something coming towards you in July, Virgo. I know my cards are telling me so, that you have tried and tried and tried, and you've been very patient, but you're not giving up. You've really, really persevered for a very long time for whatever this hope or wish was. There may have been people around you who have been trying to hold you back or trick you or come in your way, but I don't think you're giving up that dream. You're going to try one more time. You're not going to say, okay, if so-and-so is saying something, it's not going to happen or whatever. I think you are going to keep your dream alive. Or at least that's what you should do. Hold on, Spirit says. Don't shut that chapter right now, because wherever you've been feeling a little imbalanced, that's going to be coming to an end. This Two of Pentacles energy that you were in the past is no longer going to be there. You will be able to make that one choice, one decision, whatever was holding you back or not letting you move forward, any upset or any anger that you may have had about people who were trying to maybe stall your progress, all that is going to be ending in July. So, oops. Yeah, see, I didn't even ask a question. This card just flipped. You saw the video, right? And the Page of Wands came out. So in July, you can expect some kind of a message, some news, or maybe you will be starting some passionate, new, creative, new beginning into the direction of your dreams. So what should Virgo let go of? Four of Wands. Spirit saying, keep yourself a little guarded. Yes, keep yourself a little guarded, and if there are people around you who are naysayers, allow things to unfold naturally. Whatever has to crumble, whatever is not for your highest good, you have to see things from a higher perspective now, Virgo. That's what Spirit is saying. And if certain things which are built on sand, which are not standing the test of time, if they have to crumble away, I think it's a good idea to just kind of take the higher road. Yes, you don't have to cut off, Spirit is saying, you don't have to cut off ties completely, but don't allow any immature energies or any gossip or any, Yes, nothing should come in your way. The choice is yours. In July, the choice is given to you, Virgo, as to how you want your wishes to come true. The energies are present here. The energies of achieving that Ten of Pentacles, that new path, that Four of Wands, all that is available to you. But instead of, getting embroiled in petty arguments or petty conversations, try and see things from a higher perspective and make that decision, make that choice for yourself. You are your own destiny in July, because you will have to be very, very strong. Your strength is going to come into play here in July, from what I feel. So, what's this Eight of Wands, Spirit? Eight of Wands. Yes, Spirit is saying, be a little mindful, Virgo. Be a little mindful. There may be a lot of communication coming your way, but all of that communication that comes to you could not be all true. Okay, it may be an effort to fog your mind, or there may be lies, in that whatever communication comes your way. It's not going to dim your light. It may not make you feel very good, because you will figure it out. I think you have that strength in you to be able to see through all bullshit now, and it's not going to make you feel very happy, but don't let that become a blockage. Once you know what's happening, once you know that whoever's saying, your heart knows, your soul knows that it's a lie, right? And it kind of, even if it doesn't make you feel very happy because you're seeing right through people, don't let that dim your light, Spirit is saying. Don't let that become a blockage in following your own path. So, how do people see my Virgo in July, Spirit? People see you as the Knight of Wands. Very, very exciting, passionate, ready to take action onto a brand new journey, maybe ending certain things. There may be some people, yes, who will not want you to do that, Virgo. Again, I'm saying it. They're seeing you as a Knight of Wands. You have that youthful spirit, that youthful energy to say, I'm going to charge ahead and follow my passions. There could be some people around you who could be a bit controlling around you. King of Swords in reverse, right? There are people around you who could try and stall this forward momentum that you were wanting to take for yourself. They don't want to see you succeed. They don't want to see you succeed in the way that you are going to. The energy is already here. Nobody can really stop it. Yes, they can kind of confuse you a little bit or stall your progress a little bit. They will try and stop you. I'm not going to lie here. But what Spirit is saying, that be mindful of jealous people around you who will try and control your movement ahead. Okay? They don't want the success for you to that degree where maybe you can, carve out a path for yourself. So, and how do loved ones see my Virgo, Spirit, in people who really, really have Virgo's best interest at heart? How do they see Virgo in July? Your loved ones are a bit worried about you because they see you as feeling very overburdened, not overburdened, but feeling a bit put down because of the same person, this King of Swords in reverse, who's showing up now as the Emperor in reverse. This is a very controlling person. This is a person who's almost a narcissist, right? It's my way or the highway. So people around you see that my Virgo is feeling a little kind of burdened with this energy. Yes, but they also wish the best for you. Some people may try and show you the truth. They may try and help you to show you what's hidden in the dark, the secrets which you maybe, in your face to face with this energy who's trying to control you, you may not be able to see. They may try and enlighten you, they may try and help you. And don't worry, Virgo, because the universe seems to be behind this. This kind of strong energy that I see for you is guided. This is guided energy from the universe because of what you have done for yourself. Okay, so yes, people may, your loved ones, your very close ones, may kind of try and help you to see what's behind the veil, the secrets of why people are, or this person is probably trying to hold you back. But I don't think anything should stop you. And now that you've seen the reading, you'll be a bit mindful, right? You will be able to see through. Like I said, this communication which comes to you, there will be some lies in it, but you'll be able to see right through it. Or at least you'll have people around you who are going to help you see right through it. So don't let anyone who you feel is behaving in such a manner try and stop you, because people around you can sense that this movement of yours is leading you to something great, something really, really long lasting and happy, stable. So what's your secret message now to Virgo spirit? King of Cups. Why is it a secret message? Your wishes are coming true, that's for sure. Yes, the only thing you have to do is kind of be a little wary. You have to be a little mindful. There could be people coming to you. I think it's the same person again, showing up as the King of Cups. It's not that they don't love you, they don't care for you, but this person is an emotional manipulator. They can change day to day. One day they can say they love you, the other day they can hurt you, anything to keep you in control. So this is Spirit's secret message to you. You have to take the higher ground here, Virgo. You have to now defend yourself. Yes, your wishes are coming true. You are getting guided in the correct direction. You have to be very mindful now of what, who, where you're putting your investments in. And yes, a brand new beginning is available for you. July will mark, I think, the month of this year where you will leap off that cliff to have maybe something, at least start something brand new for yourself. It's going to piss a few people off. I'm not going to, some partnerships may fall back, some partnerships may not work, but these partnerships are false soulmates who come into your life to teach you a lesson, or these are tests put in your way. Are you going to stop or are you going to move? Right? These are these little, like you have a hurdle race, Virgo, when you want to reach the finish line, and then you'll have bumps and ropes and trenches to cross. So this is just one of those scenarios where there is somebody around you who will use every method possible. Love, lies, control, deception, everything. But Spirit saying that you are being guided. You are going to reach this level of stability. You're a very loving, kind person, and you're not going to reach a level of security for yourself, but you're going to be able to then spread happiness wherever you go. Okay, so just be a little mindful of that. Otherwise, I don't see anything going wrong. Yes, just hold your ground. Okay, Virgo, hold your ground. So that's all I have for you, Virgo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.